Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting and magical adventure for you. We are here at Moomin Ice Cave in Leppävirta, Finland. Get ready to explore this winter wonderland with us. Leppävirta is located in the heart of Finland and it's home to the enchanting Moomin Ice Cave. This unique attraction is perfect for families, Moomin fans, and anyone who loves the magic of winter. As we step inside, we are greeted by stunning ice sculptures and colorful lights. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Everywhere we look, there's something new to discover. And here it begins, exploring our favorite cartoon. The ice cave also features impressive sculptures of dragons. These majestic ice creatures add a touch of fantasy and adventure to the scene. It's amazing to see how the artists have brought both the dreamy world of Moomin and these powerful dragons to life side by side. Moomin has been my favorite childhood cartoon. I used to think it was created in Nepal, but it's actually from Finland. Discovering its origins make this experience even more special for me. If you have watched this cartoon, you might remember this scene. Moomin and his family chilling on their adorable wooden boat, drifting down a calm river. Due to some lightning effects, the video might not be as clear as we saw it with our own eyes. Sorry for that. The air gets really cold and quiet. Out of the mist, the croak appears, a big ghostly figure with hollow eyes. Everything around her starts to freeze. The Moomin family watches in silence, feeling the chill. Moomin Troll steps forward carefully, sensing the croak's sadness. It's a haunting and unforgettable moment. We are having so much fun, just like children. The Moomin Ice Cave is truly bringing out the kid in all of us. The magic, the adventure, and the sheer joy of exploring this playful world make it an unforgettable experience. One of the highlights of our visit was a charming little tower within the ice cave. We climbed upstairs to explore it. The tower provided a unique vantage point, allowing us to take a stunning view of the entire ice cave. It was like stepping into a fairy tale castle made up of ice, adding an extra layer of magic to our adventure. These sculptures are so detailed, they make the beloved characters come to life in a fresh new way. When I was walking through the ice cave, I really want to sing one song. I don't know how it sounds, but please bear with me. पुच्छर हलाउने अनि खाली खुट्टा नाच्ने यो हो मोमिन ठट्टा गर्ने अनि सधैँ नै हाँस्ने यो हो मोमिन आमा र बाबा स्नोक र सानो माया मिलेर सधैँ कथा नयाँ नयाँ यो हो मोमिन That was in Nepali, of course, because it's for our Nepalese viewers. Imagine a magical spot where the Moomin house is carved entirely from ice. It has a unique shape and charming details. You can see the ice walls that captures the essence of the original Moomin house. The windows and the doors look very real. Inside the ice house is decorated with frozen Moomin furniture and decorations, making it feel like you have stepped into a Moomin storybook.
मजा आउँछ न्यू एक्सपिरियन्स पपुलर गेम केमा खेलेको तपाईँ देखाउनु न यत्रो सानोमा
The Moomin Ice Cave isn't just for looking, it's also for playing. Yes, you're right. There are ice slides, tunnels, and other interactive features that make this place a fun playground for kids and adults alike. For us, it was our first time ice sliding. We felt a mix of excitement and a bit of fear as we zoomed down the icy slides. The thrill of the slide and the frosty breeze on our faces made it an unforgettable experience. The tunnels added to the adventure, making us feel like kids exploring a magical icy wonderland. कथा छोटो छ छिटै नै गइहाल्छ हाम्रो मोमिन मोमिनका साथी सब छौँ यहाँ हामी हाम्रो मोमिन अहिलेलाई बाई बाई फेरि फर्किआइहाल्छौँ कहिले पनि हामी छुट्न चाहन्नौँ हाम्रो मोमिन हाम्रो मोमिन Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.